we just had a lot of fun working with this copper pipe, and I showed you how to put it together, how to clean it, and what you want to use it for. Now, again, this application really was just for demonstration, and this is a lighter grade of copper piping. I told you there were two grades. There's the M grade, L grade. L is a thicker copper that you always want to use when you're doing inside of the wall plumbing. The M grade you can use for outdoor applications, say you're building a fountain or something. You can use it for projects, you can, artist projects, and it's cheaper. The cost of copper has gone up so much in the last few years that you really don't want to buy unnecessarily. So just get what you need for the job, okay? And again, here's what we did. We got a good joint here. This is a fabulous joint that I just soldered. And the one that we used no flux on, no cleaning, look at this. Nothing. Didn't even hold. So you remember, please, clean this stuff up really good before you do it. And you'll have a great job done. And it's not as hard as you think. Again, you can do this stuff. Thanks for watching.